Hazrat, she wants to know that some people who firmly believe that they should devote their time only to prayers and worship of God, but zuhd.
Huh?
She mentioned in Arabic.
Zuhd is the word, yes.
Yes.
What do they believe?
She wants to know, is it right for them to deny the rights of their children, for instance, not to look after them and just carry on worshipping only?
No, certainly not. I hope you are not the subject of that treatment. Zuhud is a sort of taqwa, which means you should abstain from everything which displeases God. So when the Holy Quran has repeatedly admonished people to be kind to their children, how can you call a person a zahid when he defies Allah's will? You understand? That's right.